BJP President Ketrimayum Bhabananda urges Congress not to use framework agreement to create panic among people. Petroleum products transporters suspend cease work after reaching an agreement with sub-depot manager. A team of 11 Assam Rifles and Moray police arrest 2 illegal arms dealers in Moray. People threatened to block Imphal-Dimapur road, demanding arrest of the culprit who raped and attempted to murder a minor girl in August. And the USA beat India Team A 3-2 in 11th Manipur Polo International 2017. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Srivusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Ketrimayum Bhabananda, has urged the Congress party not to use the issue of framework agreement as a weapon to gain political mileage by creating panic among the people. He asserted that the framework agreement signed between the government of India and NAC and IM will never be allowed to affect the territorial integrity of Manipur. The Rajya Sabha MP was speaking at the one-day political conference organized by BJP Mayang Imphal Mandal at Mayang Imphal Multi-Purpose Hall. He condemned the Congress party of conspiring to retard the progress of the Chief Minister Biren-led BJP government in Manipur. He also accused the Congress party of retarding the nation's development as compared to the rest of the world. He asserted that the BJP government is making all-out efforts to bring development in such a short span of time. He said if people have faith in the BJP-led government, the state will witness progress in just another 2 years of time. Speaking at the conference, MLA K. Robindro mocked the Congress party for bringing up the issue of the framework agreement unnecessarily. He asserted that he entered politics not to gain power but to serve the people. He said MLAs and members of BJP are always relentlessly working for protection of the integrity of the state. Former presidents of BJP, MLAs and BJP workers attended the conference.
Honorable CM hook to the poor. I think mind that divert on the Neman and see, Prembo, put them on the Tazilips. I don't know, Masi diverted. Take this Tazibilu. Congress season ready for Pazamia will not talk Torga. Apoi Pali was a cars, Apapa, Mayam, Siki, but again, diversion take this season ready to Mayam Tazibilu, Pali was a car, see, at Nipan Katanai. When the Tori Mayam Tisumi behave like the live of Mayam Nimana, when Manipur specific, but Manipur Sanaba, Skimam Zumanana, topic, Pali was a car, see, say, Ani Boktan Pandalasi Manipur, Kari home will appear to Mayam.
All Manipur Petroleum Products Transporter Association and All Manipur Petroleum Products Driver Association have suspended their cease work after an agreement was reached between them and sub-depot manager SDM. Representatives of All Manipur Petroleum Products Transporter Association and All Manipur Petroleum Products Driver Association met the sub-depot manager SDM of Malom Oil Depot today to resolve the issue. Sources told Impact News that the meeting agreed to urge the IOC to include vehicles from Manipur in the announcement of the tender. The two associations also warned of cease work and retail outlets supporting them. It may be mentioned that the associations threatened to cease work in protest against the IOC tender and reduction in transport charges. They staged a sit-in in front of Malom Oil Depot to press their demands. Police intervened the protest and the SDM of the depot was intimated regarding the matter. Representatives agreed to meet the SDM to settle the issue.
IOCना अखोगी सेलिबा टैंकी गाड़ी सिंसे अमबोक सेनबा याहलोइदबगी कंडीशन अमा लापदि अखोइना IOC दा टैंकर मयाम से हानगुमनि चेनबा याहनबियो अना IOC दा अखोइना डिमांड तौजबनी हुजि हुजि अखोइना हुजि हुजि आरपिन तौजरमिसे मखोगी IOC गी हायर अथॉरिटी सिंगदगी गाइडलाइन knowledge lobiraga akoina taliba demand haibadi akoigi hoji manipur gi gari seliba gari singse hanagumna smoothly selhan view chen yahan view ana akoise mo IOC da kanna takchabani.
Earlier, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham lambasted the seized work by All Manipur Petroleum Products Transporter Association AMPPTA. The minister said the demand made by the association is unreasonable and cannot be accepted. The minister warns that legal action will be initiated against those hindering transport of fuels. He also said the license of petrol pumps which do not issue fuels to consumers despite having enough stock will be cancelled. Briefing media persons at his residence at Chajing Mairen Kong, Minister Karam Sham termed the demand of the association to reserve the tender process when there is problem due to lack of adequate number of vehicles as unfortunate. He said it will be wrong to press the demand in self-interest even when several rounds of talks between the government and the association were held on the matter. The minister asserted that AMPPTA is not under any obligation to transport fuels as all Manipur IOC Limited Retail Outlet Dealer Association and Dealer Association have been engaged in transportation of fuels. Karam Sham wants that the government will take action against those elements creating hurdles and the association will be held responsible. He also maintains that Malom Oil Depot has 30 days stock of petrol and 48 days of diesel. He appeals to the public not to panic as there are enough oil stocks to meet their needs. Karam Sham stated that the government is prepared to take the strongest action against those who work against the interests of the people.
Present stock se petrol da akoi 30 days ki petrol lai aduga diesel na 48 days ki lai aduna sumaina ati strak na singma khara hek tarupa kanda praja na yamna panic buying to wagi thabak simadi tawiganu adi association mayam amana out of 3 gi manung da ama khaktana adi tawba poni adu sanabasu yaroi aduga demand su maram jada ba demand moi huji adi tender thaba kanda gari su leitana ko na thaw hungi matung da gari challaga tawba yabadu huji tagi moi gi reserve to waibani reasonable oide maram bu jada ba thabak toraga di minister ba leite association ba leite any organization warga su Miamna adum mogi matakta matam chupada maram chada thabaki damtadi moibu dandi pina ba ngairaga leyeba se akoi khuding ma khangjan magi tangai phadaba le.
Two illegal arms dealers were arrested today by a team of 11 Assam Rifles and More police from the supermarket at Sunrise Ground, More Wards number 4. Acting on a tip-off, a team of SDPO More, Lawrence and OC More, Inspector H. Chauba, under the supervision of 11 Assam Rifles and SP Technopal Dr. S. Ibomcha, arrested the two illegal arms dealers. They are identified as Lian Suan Mong Ngaite, 22 years, son of Girentha Ngaite from Chin State, Myanmar, and Jamkeng Muang Ngaite, 25 years, son of Dong Khanpao from Bongmol, Churatanpur district. One 5.56 HK rifle with a magazine, Kenbo bike and mobile phone were seized from them. They have been handed over to More police station for further interrogation. The PRO of Police Department in a press release said Imphal East Police Commando arrested one cadre of RPF PLA from Hapta Kangjibung area on the 20th of this month during a search operation. The cadre is identified as Labung Tokmam Tej Kumar, 52 years, son of late Shyam Kishore from Yai School, Hiru Hanba Lekai. Imphal West Police Commando also nabbed one cadre of KCP MC Progressive, Khaidem Bijoy Elias Meite, 35 years, son of KH Iboyaima from Mayang, Imphal, Ani Longbi, Thana Lekai. Snatching of money from passengers and drivers of wingers or cruisers and taxis plying on Imphal Dimapur Road and National Highway number 2 and assault on drivers are on the rise. President of All Manipur Interstate Winger and Cruiser Drivers Welfare Union, Chongthang Shankarjit, said unknown miscreants snatched money and assaulted drivers of 7 vehicles plying on the road from the 1st of this month till now. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Shankarjit said the miscreants robbed passengers on the road from Tafao, Dimapur to Modbung, which is about 40 km frequently. He said armed miscreants high on drugs and alcohol frequently snatch money from passengers and the drivers are often assaulted if they resist. He expressed the need to deploy security personnel on the road and appeals to Senapati and Kangpokpi police to look into the matter. Shankarjit wants to halt their service if the government does not look into the matter within 15 days.
Passenger kumdha laga passenger check toba the passenger di pasam loba adi driver dagi pasa mulhoba yada kana driver ji phubi ba cheibi ba makuta kanthalakpa yam yawre hujik koi hujik paliba onerba semna sigi miyeng se amtu changbiu aduga koi gi leiba lambi tapuk tu mugungche sida koi gi dena sida koi gi police person thamiba ngamuroi haigana koi gi sinapdi SP kapopi SP sida koi gi onerba semna magi ayaba yawrga kitang koi gi chali bagari singda yengbinaba haijari.
People have threatened to block the Imphal-Dimapur National Highway, demanding arrest of the culprit who raped and attempted to murder a minor girl on August 1 in Senapati. They said they will call for a band on Imphal-Dimapur Road on November 27 if the rapist who attempted to murder a minor girl after raping her is not arrested within 72 hours from today. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, President of Liamaipui Naga Rongdi Manipur, T.H. Priscilla, alleged that K.H. Kashinba from Karungmon Nonsdek in Tamenglong district raped and tried to kill a 14-year-old girl. Priscilla said the culprit has been declared wanted by police since September. She said the minor girl has recovered and is now under the care of her family. Priscilla said it is unfortunate that the culprit has not been arrested till now. She appeals for cooperation from all concerned in nabbing Kashinba, who is from Tamenglong district.
Matam pire su police da su pire government da su pire animak da pire phadrabne na akhoi hojik tigi hona 72 hours piye asigi manung da phadra di akhoi si 27 morning 6 AM to 6 PM in the evening. Akhoi si total shutdown si National Highway number 2 si ban taurani. Hojik ti Chief Minister oisno or Home Department kana oisno akhoi bu tawbigno haina thiamba lakraso khoi di asigi manung da pha hodra de akhoi de amuka handokra roi akhoi na ban tauraga untoward incidents asok anak ya thokla rasu government na sidi pugadabni habsa akan ba wahai oina government sida thamjabani.
Civil Organization of Marine Community has threatened to call for 7 days band on National Highway 102, Imphal-Moray Road starting from December 1 if all incomplete projects under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana and Special Plant Assistant in 42 Technopal constituency are not completed by November 30. Addressing media persons at Tuisemi village in Technopal constituency today, President of Marine Uparup Assembly L. Modun Charanga said WBM was taken up under the 9th phase of PMGSY in 2014 for a 14-kilometer stretch of road from Tuisemi to Samanfai, but the road has not been blacktopped even after 2 years. He said among the 4 parts of the road from Kudengthabi leading to Rilram Center, construction for only Part 1 and 2 was completed, while construction for Part 3 after WBM work is not yet completed and construction work for Part 4 has not even started. He said of the 10-kilometer stretch of road from Machi Gates to Kangoi Kulen, only first layer of WBM for only 2 kilometers has been done. He said the chief engineer and contractors of PWD assured Maring Uparup Assembly, Maring Nupuya Yinglam and Maring Students Union of starting the construction works right after Ningol Chakoba. However, so far no work has even started. Modern warned of intensifying their agitation if the authority do not meet their demands at the earliest. The bomb disposal team of IGAR South has safely removed the IED, which was planted near H. Mongjang village on National Highway 2, which passes through Moray town. The IED was discovered on the 21st of this month on the roadside by a patrolling team of 11 Assam Rifles KLP AR post in the morning. The bomb disposal team safely removed the IED this morning around 9 and exploded near a foothill. United National Liberation Front (UNLF) in a press release has greeted the people of Manipur on its 53rd Foundation Day. The outfit expressed apprehension that various indigenous communities of the state might lose their identities 68 years after their integration with India. It also expressed the need for research works on medicinal plants, agriculture and horticulture of the state to enhance the economy. UNLF lamented that people in the state are still a victim of racial discrimination. Fire broke out in the basement of Imma Kaitel building number 1 today due to a short circuit in an ice cream freezer around 3 this afternoon. The fire destroyed the freezer and some other items. The fire created panic among the women vendors and shoppers. However, timely arrival of Manipur Fire Service at the spot controlled the fire and prevented further damage. The ice cream freezer belonged to Ashangbam Rajmani, 40 years, a son of Ashangbam Nimai from Soibam Lekai. Mahud Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, who rushed to see the situation, has announced a ban on keeping of any items in the basement and use of electric heaters and cookers in the in the market from tomorrow. The minister announced to use the basement as parking lots from December this year.
Around 3 p.m. Mama Keki Makaki basement ice cream yon masing electrician overload web. My power to Pumam Madagi, so circuit or my Horopane. I in the basement kana makala mata ko pota mazaro adu lay makala iba ko electricity da koina sida koina heater da sina daga nundang na sak thongdan magumba de kano to ba ade apa unauthorized man illegal mayam ko tawriba si mayam mai hobi masa amu weba adu masi yam kumna department ko ingala haing dagi makhatan to haloro si ko parking si loina ba ko gi thamani December thadi horane aduga February thada ko kethen sangab da loina ba ko target thame mo department.
A team of 12th Battalion NDRF from Itanagar arrived at Thoubal today to create awareness among the people of preventing measures to be taken during natural disasters like earthquake, floods and droughts. The team, along with Chief Medical Officer Thoubal, held a brief discussion about the ways and means to prevent and protect oneself during natural calamities to the best way possible. District Administration Thoubal, CMO Thoubal and Thoubal Municipal Council jointly organized the state awareness program. The NDRF team, led by Inspector Sunil Kumar, demonstrated how to take care of oneself during disasters. It's time for a small commercial break. Open defecation is still prevalent on the banks of Nambul River in the heart of Imphal city. We bring you a report on the problem after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. When there is decline in practice of open defecation among people living in the interior areas of the state, this embarrassing practice is still prevalent on the banks of Nambul River in the heart of Imphal city. Our reporter Ketrimeyum Premchand brings you a report on this embarrassing situation.
Right now I'm standing near the Maharani Bridge, which is located in the heart of Imphal city. But beneath this bridge, beneath this Maharani Bridge, there is the bank of Nambul River, is perhaps the most largest place where people openly defecated. Let's have a look at the situations out here.
People thronging the Kwarman market, which is Manipur's largest business hub, where more than 1,000 people gather every day, continue to practice open defecation and urination on the banks of Nambul River. Obviously, the open defecation and urination by vendors, shopkeepers and shoppers from down till thugs pollute the water of the Nambul River. Imphal Municipal Corporation and the other authorities concerned seem to be turning a blind eye to this embarrassing practice by people, including the city dwellers.
Ado koi na haijaru matam da jo thina ngang bi da me khana ba da jo toi lore ado haibam khangde bingo yam wana hinga jani mawa hingi kanam ta na yin hin bi de koi complaint ta gom ju la yede ado khang ba haiba na ta mina adum hinda ya da be dum phambi ba mangare siam thina ngang me noi naram la noi nu pai na ma jaga ra ga na thina ngang me koi kappa ga le ho bu su yawe si matang da.
There are only two public conveniences in such a big market. One is at Imam Market number 1, while Another one is located near the entrance of the temporary market. The question is whether the two public conveniences are sufficient for such a huge market where more than 1,000 people visit daily.
Ngamde ko yu yam ware ko yu ko ne thing ngam di mo je ko na lakte yang jamam ta lakte ram ta lakte campaign dong yo me mawalok de ko mawalok widi khanam ha mi ko mawa tho lok de ko ya mo awa ko yam wai bangang ba da si jaga je cholam tak thambi ba ko ne pam ma si pam je
Women da hygienic badi mafam jana parking si malai bana sola ma sabi yu hygienic.
While the Mahut had lauded municipal councils for decline in open defecation and urination in the state, the problem in the heart of Imphal city remains ignored. It is necessary to prevent this practice in view of the Clean India Swachh Bharat mission.
People openly defecated in the public area doesn't mean that they don't want to make India clean, but they may have a lack of proper awareness about sanitary toilet and about the open defecation. So it is high time for the concerned authority to look after the issue and give mass awareness to the people of the state. Otherwise, the Nambul River might become the sources of all the possible diseases in the state. With camera person Irom Mosa, this is Ketumayum Premsan for Impact News, Imphal.
Thank you, reporter Premchan. Now moving ahead, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham extended help to the two families whose harvested paddy was set on fire by miscreants. It may be recalled that the incident occurred on November 17 at Ngai Kong Khunau in Bishnupur district. The burnt paddy belonged to Laishram Samananda and Takelambam Athauba Maite from Kainau Tongkha. Minister Karam Sham donated 10 bags each of rice to the families. Minister Karam Sham condemned the burning of paddy. He said since the rice under NAFSA is meant only for NAFSA beneficiaries, he and his government took the initiative of purchasing the rice from minimum support price to distribute to the two families. He said all must stand united against such acts.
Akoi puksak oiriba phaudu mai thaduoga tauriba thong sidi wakal khandadaba ade leibak masa tadaba thong amani haina aina khanjaba napsa gi sengdi beneficiary natana piba yade aduna minimum support price ki leiriba seng bek kun khaktang aina leijaraga awaba taraba family ani gi imung singda angamba mateng khara Manipur sarkar gi side gi aisa gi side gi mateng bangjabani yamna wakal khandadaba manba thong singsi tholakpa kanda Manipur praja singna cooperation pibiraga or natraga koi sarkar gi side tagi Fazana societies the leriba gyan tadaba mi singje gyan tahanbagi tangai fataba leire haibasi pungning da phaujai.
Kanglei Ima Loop KIL appeals to people not to portray the culture and traditions of Manipur in a bad light during the Sangai festival. KIL in a press release said the organization appreciates the initiatives taken by the government and appeals for protection of the integrity of the state. Manipur State Women's Development Corporation Limited MSWDCL distributed 150 sewing machines and handloom weaving machines to vocational trainers of a 15th batch. The training was held from June to December last year in embroidery, tailoring and handloom weaving. The machines were distributed at an event held at Tera Khanamlaira Community Hall. Chairperson of the corporation, S. Satyabhama, stressed the need to make the women financially independent to achieve development. The third North-East Youth Festival was held at St. Stephen's Senior Secondary School in Chandigarh. The festival was organized by North-East students of Don Bosco Youth Center, DBYC, Tanagar, Don Bosco Navjeevan Society, Chandigarh, Don Bosco Net, New Delhi and Chandigarh. A large group of youths from the North-East participated in the festival. Students from Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram and Sikkim enthralled the audience with their beautiful songs and dance performances. A mega cultural costume show was also held at the festival. Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC has invited applications from eligible candidates for recruitment to 300 posts of Manipur Health Service Grade 4 Medical Officer and 11 posts of Manipur Health Service Grade 4 Dental Surgeon in the Health Department. MPSC in a press release said the candidates can apply online with effect from November 20 till December 8. A training program on cultivation of mushroom was held at different parts of Manipur from November 15 to 19. Rama Foundation Nagamapal organized the training programs at Tokpaching, Lilong Haurebi, Chandrakhong and Wangoi free of cost. The foundation will hold the similar training program in different places from the 26th of this month. Excite Care, an Excite exclusive showroom, was opened today at Sangai Pro Mamanglekai. Proprietor of Mohan Motor Works, Maibam Dina Mohan, opened this showroom at Rajendra Complex on Airport Road this morning. Speaking to media persons, proprietor of Excite Care, Pukrambam Babu said the showroom is opened with an objective to help reduce air pollution in the state. A customer care center will also be opened at the showroom. The center will provide facilities to repair all kinds of battery. Babu said battery exchange facility will also be provided as a special offer in December and January.
Kanagumba mi mana hojikse battery se yadraga anda kadai de check tawgadage habase kangauna bagumba leiba adugi damakte koi customer care oina ikona tawdoiba battery dugi model amadi magi size dui matungina aikona scrap ru ma lepaga aikona ikodagi excite ke battery se leiba matamda madugi kari haitare price ikona kono tobi haitare tabi haitare habadi ngasai mi duna scrap battery se kamain toraga kono tawgadage habi kang chamam nabado adus lokthok jaba haitare loinana ngasagi khoigi proper hatabadu khoi mafam chana loisana bagi haib tare ngasagi kanagumba local kharana pangthu thugaraga pangchem sema gumba tawbudu soil pollution tholok ba yabagi kanodo madu masu kona lokthok saba hai tare.
Cine Directors Guild Manipur said the application for the second Manipur Short Film Festival 2017-18 being organized by the guilds will be available from November 25 to 29. Cine Directors Guild Manipur in a press release said the forms will be available at Cine Directors Guild Manipur stall at the ongoing Sangai International Film Festival. The two-day Manipur Sangai Folk Festival began today at Harikagog Makhong Thangapat Mapal. The event is organized by Tourism Department and will be marked by cultural extravaganza. Moirang Kanglei Rol, Khongjom Prabha, Kunung Isai, Kabui Naga dance and different other cultural activities will highlight the event. Wang Inche, the age-old festival of Monsang community, was celebrated in Chandel district today. The post-harvest festival, a customary feast of the community, was held at Leling Li, Leling Pam, with the village chief of Monsang Pantha, N.G. Vincent, as the host. The villagers harvested the millets in the yard of the village chief. The festival is celebrated at the house of a rich man in the village. The harvest began by women folks of the host family serving wine brewed from millets and meat to the harvesters. Representatives of ADC Chandel and many villagers attended the celebration.
Lainung dagi thongnaga ek prithivida panbadaga hauna masi channabani adubo 1954-55 asidako Christian society lakpadagi ko Christian leader aduna haibadagi ko eikoigi gasta masi loin thadokpani adubo ino no thadokpa jade Christian so masigi maram thingba jade ena tawbadagi ino no na hodokpani.
Now the sports news. Argentina polo team dropped Morocco polo team 8-3 in the exhibition match at the 11th Manipur Polo International Tournament at Imphal Polo Ground today. USA polo team beat India polo team AIPA 3-2 in the tournament match. For the winners, Breman Wells scored 2 goals in the second and third chukar, while Nick Johnson scored a goal in the second chukar. For the losing Indian team, Major Narendra scored 2 goals in the first chukar. India Team B, Manipur Polo Team, Morocco Polo Team and England Polo Team are in Pool A, while USA Polo Team, Argentina Polo Team and India Polo Team A are in the Pool B of the International Polo Tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham and many polo lovers witnessed the match. England and Morocco will face each other in the third match of the tournament tomorrow.
Historic relationship of course in this game when we see of that with promotion to when they have it culture like the white students around the even only can buy the whole university the whole organization follows it still such a day otherwise we go and we might get this going to see the Matic Java the foundation the policy of the policy can get they are the my talent and Panina
A football exhibition match between Technopol Police and Tamil Youth Network Myanmar was held as part of the Shanghai Festival with the objective to improve Indo-Myanmar bilateral relations at Eastern Shine School Ground More today. Technopol Police beat Tamil Youth Network Myanmar 1-0. The winning goal of Technopol Police was netted by Assistant Commandant of Commando More, T.H. Krishna Tombi. A friendly match between Meitei Council More and More Youth Club was also held. Though Meitei Council More and More Youth Club were drawn 1-1, a toss made Meitei Council More the winner of the match. SP of Technopol District, Dr. S. Ibomcha, SP of Custom Preventive Force More, W.H.K. Lowing, and additional Deputy Commissioner of Technopol District, N. Gojendro, were among those present at the exhibition match organized by Technopol Police and T.H. Birachandra Memorial Football Academy.
Amana koi friendly match ni kaba kadaba kanana kaba kadaba wafam koi thidana koi yam nungai na sanagi yamna nungai ba match sama oigi koi mafam sida su koi Shanghai Festival gi chap chawa ma ha odo koi pi bangam na hona jabani masida koi ju Shanghai Festival gi chap chawa ma ha ma koi more sida pi bangam jare haibu gi koi nungai ba phongdok chari Technopol District Police ki maike de.
Manipur and Bangladesh Kangkhut beat their rivals in the third international invitational Kang tournament held as part of the Shanghai Festival 2017. In the third match of the tournament played today at Kumanlampak, Kangshang, Manipur Kangkhut dropped Hojai Kangkhut 18-5. While in the fourth match played at Singjamei Kangshang, Bangladesh Kangkhut dropped Hailakandi Kangkhut 12-4. A total of 7 Kangkhuts including Bangladesh, Jiribam, Hailakandi, Hojai, Kachar, Myanmar and host Manipur are taking part in the tournament organized by Manipur Kang Association under the aegis of Arts and Culture, Tourism and Youth Affairs and Sports Department. Manipur Under-14 girls handball team left Imphal yesterday to take part in the 63rd National School Tournament to be held in Bikaner, Rajasthan. School Games Federation of India is organizing the tournament from the 26th to 30th of this month. Players from different districts of the state are part of the team. The team consists of I. Burlais, Chanu and Deepa, A. Roshni, Ketrimim Bhumika and K. Sonia from Imphal East, T.H. Angobi, T. Basanta and N. Ichan from Imphal West, H. Abia, Y. Manglem Nganbi, H. Saya and Ritika N. from Thaubal, N. Julia, T.H. Nilan and T.H. Anjali from Chandil, T.H. Gitanjali from Kangpokpi, H. Manigun, Chanu and L. Gojendro are the team coach and manager respectively. Delhi Dynamos beat Pune City in a match of the Indian Super League 2017-18 yesterday. In the match played at Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex Stadium in Pune, Delhi Dynamos beat Pune City 3-2. For the winners, Paulo Henrique Diaz da Cruz, Chante and Matthias Mirabach scored 1 goal each, while Emiliano Alfaro and Marcos Tebar scored 1 goal each for Pune City. Chennai FC and North East United will face each other in a league match at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Chennai at 8 p.m. tonight. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. BJP President Ketrimim Bhabananda urges Congress not to use framework agreement to create panic among people. Petroleum products transporters suspend cease work after reaching an agreement with sub-depot manager. A team of 11 Assam Rifles and Moray police arrest 2 illegal arms dealers in Moray. People threatened to block Imphal-Dimapur roads, demanding arrest of the culprit who raped and attempted to murder a minor girl in August. And USA beat India Team A 3-2 in 11th Manipur Polo International 2017.